my bicycle just gave me a brilliant idea for the channel. Hello YouTube family, and welcome to another episode of This and That. Yes, it is your boy Rosie, your soon to be #1 YouTube host. Y'all know I'm always looking for new items, new ideas for the channel, and here lately I've been using the acronym PIN, P-I-N. Is it practical? Is it inexpensive? And is it necessary? Now I'm gonna give y'all about 30 seconds to figure out how my bicycle helped me come up with our latest idea for the channel. But in the meantime, I'm gonna give y'all a quick update on our situation here in Louisiana. So far, y'all know we got a couple of cases, especially down in New Orleans, of the virus. But here in Lake Charles, I think we got 1 or 2. But everybody in my family is, we're all well. We're trying to stay quarantined. I haven't seen my grandsons in a couple of weeks, but that's for the better. I can work remotely from home, and I'm currently doing so. My job gave me permission, so this is my second Monday working from home. I'm gonna record this video today and post it. So now, with that being said, y'all had about 30 seconds or so to figure out how my bicycle helped the channel. Here goes. Cup holder. This is called I think it's the Acemore or Agmore bicycle cup holder. Y'all know I got these 2 tables that I use for the kitchen. I got the one table that I've had now for probably a couple of years, and this is the one that I keep all my cooking items on. Then over here, I have my fishing table. That's my pride and joy. I think it's one of the best purchases I ever made. Now, I was always looking for somewhere to put my items, my cooking spray, my Dales. Oh, and my most important asset, my red cup. So y'all can see I made a little change where I'm actually now gonna be cooking from behind the table. I put my little 3-drawer, chest of drawer thingamajig over here in the corner. I got my chair, I got my charcoal between the chair, and I'll be doing a lot of my cooking from over here. It's gonna allow me to give y'all some good overhead shots, and if my wife's recording or my son's recording, they can kind of get around me and get a better view and get an overhead view of what I'm cooking. So, I'm riding my bicycle the other morning. I get ready to pull a drink out of my cup holder on my bicycle, and I'm thinking to myself, wow, I could use one of these to hold my items on my freaking table in my kitchen. So I found these on Amazon. They're $13 for a set of 2. That's kind of pricey, but I think it's well worth it. So I simply took these, you attach them to the table, you screw them on. Screw that one off real quick and show you. You just screw that on the table. That jar opens up. That jar opens up. It's serrated, but it also comes with the 2 little rubber holder grommets in case it doesn't stick like you want it to. Then you simply put it in place, tighten it up, raise that one up just a hair, put it in the position you want it, put your item in, boom, there you have it. So now I have a holder for my Pam, my Dales, and my red cup, and oh yeah, I believe it will. If y'all hadn't guessed yet, yes, this is a red cup event. Now, like I said, some of the solutions we find here on the channel are simple, and to other people, they probably won't mean a lot, but to me, this is the winner. Now when I'm cooking, I simply grab my Dells, boom. I simply grab my Pam, boom, and I'm in there. Now let me show you one other place I use these, and it may or may not be of help to a lot of y'all, but to those of us who own a Jeep or a Suburban and we do some cooking or traveling, I'm gonna show you a quick idea I had for the Jeep. Follow me. All right, fam, y'all excuse the Jeep, it's a little dirty, but this is my kitchen kind of setup I had in here. And I've done this before, but the reason I did it this time was they closed the cafeteria down at work, and I wasn't gonna be able to eat at lunch or whatever. I didn't want to go out to any restaurants and chance making a lot of contact with people. So I set me a kitchen up in my Jeep again, and I got all my cooking stuff inside here. I got my little table set up. That's my water, and up top, I always keep a shower rack. And I thought to myself, that shower rack is the perfect size to fit one of those bicycle cup holders. So I ordered a total of 6. And I put the cup holders right here. This one is holding a cup, and I can take it and reposition it wherever I want, tighten it down, and more Dells seasoning for when I'm cooking. Tighten it down in the corner. It doesn't move. It's sturdy, and you can tighten that thing down. You can really crank on it, and those things are really well made. So take this one and move it back. I try to keep them kind of in a upward position. That way the cup or whatever doesn't fall out. Tighten that one back. Another thing, these things swivel side to side, but they hold their position. So I've been riding around with this thing now for about, I'm not going a whole lot of places since this, we're not under quarantine, but since we're trying to practice some distance. So I haven't ridden a lot, but I've taken 2 short trips of 5 miles or more, and these things, all 3, are holding perfectly. All right, let's head back in the backyard. All right, fam, last but not least, I spent a lot of time back here on my deck in my backyard. It's a beautiful day here in Louisiana, by the way. I think it's supposed to rain, but my goodness, the overcast is perfect, probably about 69, 70 degrees. Burning a little trash back here in my burn pile. We can do that here in the country. And I spent a lot of time watching this incredible YouTuber, man. Y'all might have heard of this guy. His channel's called This and That, and he's Rosie. He's soon to be your #1 YouTube host. That guy's incredible. Y'all need to check him out. But last but not least, the last place I'm using one of my bicycle holders. My mother-in-law usually park here, my wife's park here, and of course the king has his king chair. And this chair was not one of the ones that came with the little side platform that sticks out here. You can put your cups or put your plate. So I attached one of those bicycle holders right here. And y'all know I like to drink out of mason jars. I've been doing a lot of tea here lately too. I'll probably do a video on sun tea. I've been putting my mason jars up on top of the roof of my awning here and let it stay for 2 or 3 days and makes delicious sun tea. But that's a separate video. So that's the last place I used one of those bicycle holders, was here on the side of my chair. So that's about it, fam. I just want to do a real quick video on the idea that my bicycle gave me. I think it's a brilliant idea, but I think all my ideas are brilliant. My family may differ with you. So if this video has been helpful, y'all give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumbs down and a reason why in the comment section. If you like what we're doing here, This and That, y'all consider becoming subscribers. And now is a perfect time to subscribe because I got a ton of videos I can watch. I think we're up to 96 videos now. And soon we'll be getting to 100 videos. And after 100 videos, I hope this channel just takes off because we're going to try to improve our quality and really bring you some really good content. We got a little more time on our hands. So once again, if y'all haven't subscribed, consider becoming a subscriber. If you do subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Peace. Maybe I should have said every time we drop one of these awesome videos. Yeah, that's it.